As per the most recent long-haul Jibber, Cardano cost will hit $0.7 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $1 toward the finish of 2026. Cardano will ascend to $1.5 inside the Jibber period of 2030, $2 in 2032, and 2.5 in 2035. Cardano value forecast Jabber cost began in 2024 at 59.78 cents. Today, Cardano exchanged at 36.23, so the cost diminished by Jibber from the very start of the year. The gauge Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jibber, and the year-to-year change 33%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 10%. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will drop to 36. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cents and close the year at 37 cents, which is Jabber to the ongoing cost. Cardano Jibber 2026-2030, these 5 years would bring an increment. Jabber cost would move from 37 to 67, which is up 81%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 30, then take off to Jabber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 45s. That Jibber plus 24% from today. Cardano forecast Jabber. In this period, the Jabber cost would ascend from 67 to 99, which is plus 48%. Jabber will begin 2031 at 67, then at that point take off to 65 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 69. It is about Jabber from today. Jibber. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025 Jabber. Cardano cost began in Jibber at 59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at 38.36, so the cost diminished Jabber 36% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 41, and the year-to-year Jabber 31%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 7%. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will drop to Jabber. In the last part, the cost would add 0.1 cents and close the year at 38 cents, which is minus 1% to the ongoing cost. Jabber forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring in Jibber. Cardano cost would move from 38 to 67 cents, which is up 76%. Jabber will begin 2026 at 38s, then take off to 41 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 46. That Jabber plus 20% from today. Cardano Jabber 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 67 to 99, which is Jabber. Cardano will begin 2031 at 67. Then, at that point, take off to 65 cents Jabber the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 69. It is about Jabber from today. Jabber. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025 Jibber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at 59.78. Jabber, Cardano exchanged at 34.91, so the cost diminished by 42% from the outset of the year. The Jibber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 42 cents, and the year-to-year change 30%. The Jibber from today to year-end plus 20%. In the main portion of 2025, the Jabber cost will drop to 38s. In the final part, the cost would add 0.3 cents and close the year at 41 cents, which is plus 17% to the ongoing cost. Cardano Jabber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a Jabber increment. Cardano cost would move from 41 to 85, which is up 107%. Cardano will begin 2026 at Jabber, then at that point, take off to 50 cents inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 59. That implies Jibber from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 85 cents to $1.34, which is Jibber. Cardano will begin 2031 at 85, then at that point, take off to 89 Jabber the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 94. It is about Jabber from today. Jabber. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025 Jibber. Cardano cost began in Jibber at 59.78 Jibber. Cardano exchanged at 34.31, so the cost diminished by minus 43% from the start of the year. The Jabber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 42 cents, and the year-to-year change 30%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 22%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Jibber cost will drop to 38. In the last part, the cost would add 3 cents and close the year at 41 cents, which is plus 20% to the ongoing cost. Jibber expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Cardano cost would move from Jibber to 85 cents, which is up 107%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 41, then take off to 50 inside the initial half year of the year and finish Jibber at 59. That implies Jibber from today. Cardano expectation Jabber. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 85 cents to $1.34, which is Jibber. Cardano will begin Jabber at 85 cents, then take off to 89 cents inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at 94 cents. It's about Jibber from today. Jibber. Cardano value expectation Jibber. Cardano cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Today, Jibber exchanged at 0.3352, so the cost diminished by 44% from the outset of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of Jabber is 50 cents, and the year-to-year change, 16%. The Jabber from today to year-end, plus 49%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 52. In the last part, the cost would add Jibber and close the year at 56 cents, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jabber cost would move from 56 to 94 cents, which is up 68%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 56, then take off to 63 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish Jabber at 74 cents. That Jabber plus 121% from today. Jibber expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from per 94 cents to Jabber, which is plus 61%. Cardano will begin 2031 at 94, then take off to Jabber inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.06. It is about Jibber from today. Jibber. Cardano value forecast Jabber. Jabber cost began in 2024 at 5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at Jabber, so the cost diminished by 37% from the start of the year. The estimated Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is 53, and the year-to-year change 11%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 40%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 55. In the final part, the cost would add 44 cents and close the year at 59 cents, which is plus 55% to the Jibber cost. Cardano Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from 59 to Jibber, which is up 73%. Jabber will begin 2026 at 59 cents, then take off to 66 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 78 cents.